Today, we will check does homemade flour acrylic paint works or not. Let's try. Taking flour. Add sugar and salt. Added water and started mixing. I added turmeric haldi. Time to test. Doesn't work. I might have added more water. I think it will not work, but if you want me to try again, then tell me in the comment section.